back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy DIY macrame basket at home. So let's see the items you will need. We will need some macrame, scissors, some felt, a bottle, glue, and finally a needle and thread. So let's start. So first we will take our macrame and put some glue on it. Now we will roll it and try to form a circle. Do it till you get your desired size. Now we will keep the bottle on top of the macrame and make it flat. Next we will apply some glue on the macrame . And then we will wrap it around the bottle. Remember not to put the glue on the bottle as we have to remove the bottle later. Do it till you get your desired size. Once you get your desired size, we will cut this excess thread. Now we will take out the bottle. Take it out carefully so that your shape doesn't get spoiled. Now we will stick this thread. Now we will make the handles. So for the handles, we need 2 pieces of small felt and 2 small pieces of macrame. So first we will take 1 piece of felt and 1 piece of macrame. And now I will apply some strong glue on each end of the macrame. Now I will stick this to the felt. Do the same steps for the other handle. Now we will take our basket and stick these handles on each side of the basket. For this, I will use some strong glue. Now we will stick the other handle. Now we will let it dry. Once the handle is dried, we will take a rectangle piece of felt and apply some strong glue on each edge of the felt. Now we will stick it to the center. Now we will stitch 2 crosses on the bottom of the felt. After stitching the crosses, it will look like this. Now we will apply some strong glue on the back side of the felt. Now we will stick the felt to this side of the basket. Now our basket is ready. Isn't it beautiful? You must try it out. I hope you like my video. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. Bye!